Okay, so on this booklet that you have, you are going to do I have it set up to where you do practice A, adding integers first. Okay? You open up the booklet. Then you have practice B second. Okay, so open up your booklet so you can see this. Okay? Those are all subtracting integers, which you're just looking at, okay, same signs or different signs. That's where you'll have your double negatives that make a positive, okay? Then, once you get through with those, then you get into some problems that are a little bit more difficult, a little bigger numbers, okay? Flip the page over to the back. Then you'll have the subtracting ones that are a little bit more difficult. I do want to go over the very bottom, so turn back to the first page. That very bottom where it says evaluate E plus F for the given values. You see where it says that? E plus F. Okay. E, it will give you a different value for E and F each time. Do you remember how in 6th grade you had to substitute? It would say, okay, E equals 2, F equals 3, and you plugged the numbers in. Do you remember doing that? Okay. On this, if you look at 15, it says E equals 9 and F equals 2. So you're going to put negative 2, thank you. So you're going to put E in as 9 plus whatever F is. F is negative 2. And then you're going to work it out. So on the next one, it says E equals negative 4 and F equals negative 6. So that'll be negative 4 plus negative 6. You see what I'm saying? You're just plugging in those numbers. You're just making a problem out of it. Okay? All right. If you have any questions on this, feel free to ask. Yes?
I heard the last part, but then I forgot what you said at the beginning.
So this says E plus F, and every question.
That's the part that I heard. Which side?
Well, actually, this is on multiple sides of it, where it'll say to plug it in. It's the first page and the second page and the last page all have this. Just a few of them, okay? So E plus F, you plug in the 9, you plug in the negative 2, and then you
I
solve it.
heard that part.
Okay, so what's the... So
No, like, do we start with...
you're going to start with practice A.
Yeah.
Yes, you're starting with practice A, okay? Any other questions? All right, you can work, help each other, not give each other the answers, and you will not be allowed to use a calculator. You are adding and subtracting, and we're big boys and girls, we know how to add and subtract. The biggest part is understanding where your positives and negatives are, okay? That's the biggest part. So, any questions? Okay.